Are you wondering if the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 actually need any application? So the answer is kinda yes and also no. So first, if you have a Samsung phone, if you are trying to pair it with Samsung phone, then indeed you actually do not need any apps for it. And you can also control everything, again, without any apps. So if you want to pair them, after you are paired, so you see you simply click and hold this pairing button, it will start to blink like this. So you see in various colors, and you see they will appear here. So click connect. And so you see they're working, and if you go in your phone settings, I see they actually appear here, and we can manage all the settings for them and do everything on them. Again, so no phone app needed, it's already inbuilt in your phone. But for example, if you are using it with any other device or any other smartphone, such as maybe like any Android phone, then actually to be able to actually customize these features, you actually need to download an app. So you simply go in the Play Store and download the Galaxy Wearable app. So this is app. Again, if you have a Android phone that is not a Samsung phone, maybe like Pixel, Xiaomi, Motorola, Vivo, like Honor, Huawei. So again, any Android phone. Then again, you download this app and you can configure that. By the way, also, even if you do not download this app, you can actually still freely use them to listen to music. So everything will work. Also, the touch controls will work. But you simply won't be able to do the more configuration. But when it comes to, for example, for iPhones, on iPhones, we actually can't download this app, and there is no apps that you use for iPhones. So if you connect to iPhone, essentially, you can only use to listen to music and also control them using the touch controls. You can't configure anything more than that. Okay, back.